How to book your Vienna hotel room by using mobile app? Welcome, let's move on. How to book your Vienna hotel room by using mobile app? First, you have to install the Vienna Best Travel Tour Guide mobile app from Google Play Store by clicking the link below this video description part here. The links look like this. Or you can pause this video and scan the following QR code with your mobile phone QR code scanner to install the Vienna Best Travel Tour Guide mobile app. And this is the Vienna Best Travel Tour Guide mobile app QR code. And this is the Vienna Best Travel Tour Guide mobile app icon at Google Play Store. Okay, after you have installed this Vienna Best Travel Tour Guide mobile app, please follow this coming step-by-step video screenshot to book your Vienna hotel room fast and easy before you travel to Vienna for vacation and holidays with your families and friends. Okay, now let's go to the Google Play Store to install this Vienna Best Travel Tour Guide mobile app. After you have installed this mobile app, tap on the open button here and it will open the Vienna Tour Guide mobile app. And go to look at the first row in the middle of this icon showing hotel booking. Okay, then tap on it to enter the hotel booking platform. Okay, this is the hotel booking page. Let me enlarge the view for your easy viewing. Okay, now you can search the hotels in Vienna by filling up your check-in date and check-out date, and then rooms for how many persons, then tap on search. Or you can scroll down to the page and look at those popular Vienna hotels in the list with the star rating and the price. Okay, scroll down. And you can browse through the photo of the hotel room as well. All a total 3,586 hotels in Vienna are available for booking. Okay, now let's say for demonstration purpose, let me select the hotel room first. Okay, now let's say I want to book this hotel room. Let's say I want to choose this Hotel de France Vienna. Tap on View Deal, and then it will redirect me to the hotel page. You can browse through the picture. You can browse through the hotel picture, hotel photo, hotel room, shower room, and you can read through the introduction about this hotel. Very good score, marked large bathroom, fantastic bar, large room. This hotel room has been reviewed by the previous guest at 6,325 guest review. Scroll down to the lower page to look at the hotel feature of this hotel. Okay, this hotel got fitness room and gym, check-in time and check-out date, check-out time. Okay, and then scroll down to look at the rating of this hotel. Rating summary overall is 8.3 marks. Normally who like to stay here, couples are most popular. Okay, scroll down, the top comment for all travelers are spacious bathroom, ample size room, light bar, well located. And you can read through the review comments from the previous guests that stayed into this hotel before. Okay, now let's say you want to book this hotel room. You just go up. Okay, go up, look, go to this section, choose travel dates, input your check-in date. Okay, the day, and then the check-out date. Then rooms for how many persons, I leave it at 2 adults. Tap on check availability and prices. Okay, now it will display you the availability bookings price with from a different hotel room booking provider with a different price and package. Okay, for demonstration purpose, let me select this booking.com. Okay, tap on it. It will redirecting me to the booking.com platform after 3 seconds. Now, this is a hotel room that I want to reserve the hotel. I want to book. Look for booking Hotel de France Vienna. Tap on it, and it will redirect me to the page that show you the hotel's picture. Okay, look at the reviews, read the reviews, look at the facility, the guest review, and then my check-in date and check-out date, that time as well. Okay, set my filter, I just leave it blank. If I want, I say one bed, one breakfast included. Okay, then let's say I want this junior suite, 899. The price is 899 Malaysian ringgit for one night. Let's say I tap on it, reserve. I want to book this room. I just tap on it. Okay, now then I tap on next step. You're almost done. Okay, then I will go to the page. Okay, this is the hotel room booking page. I show you the hotel room picture, photo, check-in date and check-out date, and the price, hotel booking price, and I have to enter my detail. For demonstration purpose, I will input my first name, last name, and my email address. Okay, email.com. Okay, then I'm the main guest, tap on the main guest and input my address. Okay, and also my phone number, which is compulsory to input my phone number. Then input am I traveling to work, optional. If I input my special request if I have any. So for demonstration purpose, I have to input my address. 3 Happy Apartment. Okay, then city will be Kuala Lumpur. Okay, phone number is for demonstration purpose. Afterwards, I input my phone number. I tap on go to final step. And when come to this page, show me the price again, and then I have to key in my credit card or debit card information for payment and complete my hotel room booking. Then I have to tap on complete my booking. Once it has been done, just tap on once it has been tapped on the complete my booking, it will redirect the other page to confirm your hotel room booking with all the hotel room booking details, and they will email the details to your email address given by you. Okay, once you have been done, tap on done and exit the hotel room booking page, and you can explore more on this Vienna tour mobile app here. Tap on top places to explore more what are the popular attraction places that tourists would like to visit when they go to have holiday in Vienna. Okay, so finally recap again, where can you download and install this Vienna travel tour guide mobile app to book your hotel? Okay, you can tap on the link, click on the link below this video description part here, or you can use your mobile phone to scan this QR code to install this Vienna travel tour guide mobile app to book your hotel room. So finally, thanks for watching. Please share this video to your friends and families. Like this video. Okay, thanks for watching, and we'll see you again. Goodbye.